Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be making an Easter egg tree, and I picked up this cone, the styrofoam cone, at Hobby Lobby. And then I picked up this felt and foam tacky glue, also at Hobby Lobby. And you're going to need some felt, your scissors, and you're going to need a lot of these little plastic Easter eggs, and I picked these also up at Hobby Lobby, and they're the mini eggs. And at the end I will let you know how many eggs it takes to cover this 3.8 inch by 11.8 inch styrofoam cone. I am going to be using the Eileen's Original Felt and Foam Tacky Glue. And I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and it was sitting right beside the styrofoam cones. And so it says it's instant grab, felt and foam adhesive, and after I get the foam, or the felt on the foam, then it has to sit for at least an hour to dry. And so I'm going to just take my felt and just glue it onto my cone. So give me just a second, and I'll let you know how that goes. And this felt and foam tacky glue is $4.49 at Hobby Lobby. But don't forget to use your 40% off coupon. Okay, so I added the glue to the felt, and I'm just going to push it against the foam. It looks like it's already grabbing a hold, so that's great. Okay, and we'll add some more glue to this side. Okay guys, and this is how it looks. It's not perfect or anything. I had to piece it together on the back, but it should work out fine when I cover it with the mini Easter eggs. So I'm going to let this dry for about an hour, and then I'm planning on using some of the Gorilla Glue, hot glue sticks, and glue gun to glue the little eggs on. So I'll be back in a little while. You will want to make sure that your glue has had time to dry before you start hot gluing your Easter eggs onto your cone. And I am using the Gorilla Glue brand hot glue gun and glue sticks for this Easter egg tree. And these plastic miniature Easter eggs came from Hobby Lobby. And so I am just hot gluing them on. So be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. And I have mine set on low temp right now. And it took 13 yellow eggs to do the bottom row, 12 to do the second row. Now you can do them in whatever order, whatever colors you would like. I'm just showing you so you'll kind of get an idea of how many eggs that you need to purchase. I purchased a total of 5 bags. Now it did not take all 5 bags, but we had to dig through to get some colors out, especially yellow, because my yellow repeated at the top of the cone. So just telling you, I purchased 5 bags, and I had some leftover Easter eggs. And on the bottom row, make sure that you can set your tree up. Make sure you don't have your eggs too far down on the cone. So make sure you're placing them just right at the bottom edge of the cone where that the cone will still sit level for you. So 13, 12, 11, 10 on this row. Each one gets one less egg as you go up higher. And we just hot glued them as close as we could together, and each time we were able to fit them all in, one less each row as you go up the tree. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. You might want to put on the finger guards, and everything came from Hobby Lobby. I purchased the cone at Hobby Lobby, the felt at Hobby Lobby, the eggs at Hobby Lobby, and these are the miniature size eggs. And just remember, if it's not on sale, make sure you use your 40% off coupon. And I have had my tree made for several days now, and I use the Gorilla Glue brand hot glue, so I do recommend using that brand hot glue. or whatever brand that you really trust that will hold good. And I used a total of 77 Easter eggs, and we just hot glued one pink one to the very top. I also thought a cute little bunny pig would be cute in the top of your tree, so we debated between an egg and a little rabbit. When you're hot gluing your Easter eggs onto your tree, just hold them for a little while and let the glue dry a little bit before you move on to the next egg. I decided to put my Easter egg tree on a candle stand or a candle holder. This one's like for a candle from Bath & Body Works. I actually purchased this stand last year at Bath & Body Works, and it was around $10 or $15. You can see the felt a little bit, so if that bothers you, you might want to take some of the Easter grass and hot glue a little of the Easter grass where you can see your felt. I was looking online at Pier 1 and I found a tree similar to this one for $79, so you can make these a lot cheaper, and I think mine turned out super cute. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber.